So let's take a look at the all-new Acura Integra. Acura helped launch the sport compact scene, and we sold nearly 1 million Integras in the US in the process. But Integra is not only a big part of how Acura got to where we are today, it's now a key part of Acura's future. And that future begins right now. So let's take a look at the all-new Acura Integra prototype.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vice President and Acura Brand Officer, John Acura.
Hello to everyone here with us in Los Angeles and those joining online. This is a big day for Acura. And as I was preparing for this announcement, I was thinking back to 2015 when we introduced the production NSX and formally returned to a precision crafted performance DNA. And now, in just a few short years, we've completely rebuilt Acura as the performance division of Honda, going back to our roots. Today, you're going to see the next major piece of that strategy. A new gateway model that will take the Acura brand to an even higher level with the revival of one of the most influential models in our brand history, the Acura Integra. This all-new model ushers in a new era of performance for a new generation of customers, and I've been waiting to say this for a very long time. The Integra is back. And in keeping with our focus on less stock and more drive, let's get right to it. Here is the Acura Integra prototype.
You know, Acura to me just means winners. You know, there's a culture here that is different. I've never forgotten about that.
know that passion is important for great cars. I'm confident that the passion our team put into creating this model will make an emotional connection with our customers. And that will make this Integra the gateway to a new era of Acura performance. Now this is just the beginning. So, thank you to everyone joining us tonight. And we look forward to sharing more information on Integra before its arrival at dealers next year. Thank you to everyone for joining us.
Behind me is a 2023 Acura Integra prototype. Now don't let the name confuse you. Prototype in Honda Acura slang pretty much means the 99% completed product. This is exactly what the car is going to look like when it goes on sale next year. Check this thing out.
This is a similar story.
Pricing starts at just under 30 grand and has a powertrain basically identical to what you'd find under the current Civic Si. It's a 1.5 liter turbo 4 that sends power presumably to the front wheels. It has an available 6-speed manual transmission with the same LSD you can get in the Civic Si. As of the time of this filming, Acura has not confirmed power figures for the new Integra, though we can expect a slight bump over the current Civic Si, maybe in the area of 220 to 230 horsepower. In person, Integra is surprisingly large. It's actually closer to the size of an Acura rather than the size of a Civic. In fact, if you saw this from a distance, you'd just think it's a TLX, because it kind of looks the same as far as I'm concerned, especially having recently reviewed the TLX Type S. The most interesting thing about this right now is kind of the color, to be frank, but hopefully it drives all right. To its credit, the new Integra does roll on massive rubber, 235 section width, 19-inch wheels, massive brakes, 6 pistons up front, 4 in the back, absolutely enormous. The Acura Integra has always been a more expensive alternative to their Honda counterparts. However, in the past, that was always justified by the fact they had better suspension, better interiors, and better engine technology. But with this, it's kind of like, what's the point? Because you're paying a premium, but you're not getting any sort of premium hardware along with it. I knew the new Integra was going to be a Civic Si with a fancy suit. I knew it deep down in my core, and I was ready to be disappointed, but man, it really does hurt nonetheless, seeing it in person, because besides the really cool yellow paint, it is just a Civic Si underneath. That's it. It's tough not to be disappointed when a brand rolls out a legacy name, an iconic name, especially like Integra, shows us all these fantastic classic models outside the event like I'm showing you right now. And then when you get to the reveal, it's so ho-hum and mediocre, it's just really hard to not be disappointed in the end result. And so I think it's almost kind of damned if you do, damned if you don't, because people want the Integra to come back, but unfortunately, the way Acura is as a brand right now, this is the best they could do, and it's just not going to be, well, that good. Disappointing to say the least. It certainly made me very happy to hop back in my old Civic Si and rip some VTEC with the K20 engine. That's for sure. Oh well. In any case, guys, I'm going to lead you out with this montage of classic Integra models that look fantastic that Acura had brought up to the event. And guys, my name is Jake. You've been watching Drive, Break, Fix, Repeat, and I'll see you guys next time or go do more fun things with cars. Bye.